Welcome to CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield Bill Pay, presented by Maryland Health Connection. CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield will send you a bill within 2 business days of receiving your completed application from Maryland Health Connection. To activate your coverage, payment is due in full by the first day of the month in which your coverage begins. At the top of the bill, you will see the date the invoice was prepared. Below that, the member's name and address will appear on the left. Account information, like the subscriber ID, group number, and invoice number will appear on the right. As we move down the bill, the next section will begin with the beginning and end dates of the bill's coverage period. The summary of your payment due will begin with a recap of the amount of the previous bill, and any payments or adjustments received in the prior period. The summary will then break down any subsidies applied. Continuing down, we will see a calculation of the current amount due. First, the balance forward will account for any amount still due from the previous billing period. The total amount for coverage period is your base premium. Then, the bill subtracts any subsidies or advanced premium tax credits, and then any additional deduction from state subsidies. This will equal your total amount due. Your payment due date will be clearly displayed to the left of the total amount due. The total amount for coverage period section provides a review and breakdown of the plan members and the total premium amount before any subsidies are deducted. You can reach out to the helpful member services team at CareFirst using the phone number displayed here. There are several options to pay your CareFirst bill. Send your payment via mail. Make your check or money order payable to CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield and mail to CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield, P.O. Box 79749, Baltimore, Maryland 21279, 0749. To pay online, enroll in My Account at www.carefirst.com/myaccount to pay your bill online. To make a payment by phone, call member service at 855-444-3121. Finally, to pay in person, visit the customer service desk at your local Walmart to pay by cash or with debit card using your PIN. Be sure to present your current invoice and account number. Now you are ready to pay your premium with CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield. Thank you for watching.